Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data not working on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if your mobile data is not working on your Android device, I'm going to show you some steps to fix that issue. Check your mobile data and data connection. Guys, make sure that your mobile data is turned on and that you have a data connection. You can do this by swipe down, and here you can see the mobile data. If your mobile data is already on, simply turn it on or off again and again. Turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. This is very helpful. Also guys, turning on the airplane mode on off. Sometimes turning on aeroplane mode on and off can reset settings and bring something back to normal. You can do this by swipe down your mobile phone, and here you can see the aeroplane mode. Just simply turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, and this will reset your mobile settings. So these are both ways to fix the mobile data issue. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.